In this video, I'll show you how to make an invitation in Microsoft Word in a simple and effective way. While you can create an invitation from scratch, the easiest and fastest method is by using the built-in templates available in Microsoft Word. These templates are already professionally designed, which saves you time and effort. To get started, open Microsoft Word and click on File located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select New. This will open the template gallery, where you can access a wide variety of ready-made designs. At the search bar, type the word invitation and press enter. You'll now see a collection of invitation templates designed for different occasions. These include invitations for baptisms, baby showers, birthday parties, general parties, Halloween events, graduation celebrations, and many more. Take your time to browse through the available designs and choose the one that best matches your event's theme and style. Once you've selected a design you like, click on it and then choose Create. Microsoft Word will open the template as a new document, fully editable and ready for customization. From here, you can change the text to include your event details, such as the date, time, location, and any special notes. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and layouts, or add extra decorations and design elements depending on your preference. With just a few edits, your invitation will look personalized and professional, ready to be printed or shared digitally. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make an invitation in Microsoft Word using templates. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.